Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you and explain to you step by step exactly how to fix Starbucks app won't let you redeem your stars. So if you're currently having that exact problem, well then this video is going to be perfect for you because actually me myself I had the exact same problem before and I'm going to show you how I was able to fix it quite quickly. So what you're going to do firstly is to actually just close your Starbucks app. The reason why you need to close your Starbucks app is because we're not able to do anything on the app itself. And then instead you're going to open your settings app. So open your settings app and then you should be taken to this page as you can see, which is perfect. So now on this page, just scroll down a little bit and then click on general. So click on general and you should now be taken to this page right here as you can see, which is perfect. So now what you're going to do, click on storage. So scroll down just a little bit and then click on storage as you can see. Might take a couple of seconds for this to load depending on how much memory that you're currently using on your phone, just so you know. So this might take a couple of seconds or maybe a couple of minutes for some of you. Yeah, it is what it is, right? So as you can see, we should now actually get to this page where everything is loaded now. So we're going to now scroll all the way down in here until we can find Starbucks. So click on the Starbucks right here as you can see, and then you're going to click on upload app, and then of course also once again click on upload app, wait a couple of more seconds and then click on the blue button here once again, because what will happen now is that you will now actually update your Starbucks app to the latest version and you're going to fix all the bugs that was in the previous version. Because for you not being able to redeem your stars on the Starbucks app, that is definitely a bug and it's going to be fixed if you just update your app. At least 9 out of 10 times this is going to fix this issue. If it still is not working after you have actually updated your app, you can always contact the Starbucks customer support and they can help you to redeem it as well. But quite often doing this exact thing that I just showed you step by step is going to fix a lot of these issues that you're currently facing on the app, and one of those is that you can't redeem stars.